Hello everyone. As you can see, the Wii C, or the mini PC inside of the Wii, is currently opened up in front of us. And that's because it has slid around and the duct tape didn't hold up too well. So the Ethernet port is barely accessible, and neither is the audio jack. So today I'm going to retape it and hot glue it in place so that it doesn't slide around. And then also at the top, the USB ports and the power on button fell down a lot. So I'm going to try to hot glue it in place and also re-duct tape it. Except I think I'm out of normal duct tape, but I have white duct tape, so that's pretty epic. Let's go. Okay, so while the hot glue gun heats up, we should untape all of this duct tape. There's our little Intel sticker. Well, actually, it actually is not a sticker, that's just on the case. Oh no. It broke. No! No! Why? Why must you do this, stupid Wii case, you weakling? Oh yeah, I forgot there's a VGA port on it. That's interesting. So yeah, let's look at it again. We have our power, USB 3.0, HDMI, Ethernet, audio jack. This was on part 2, I think that's when I got this mini PC. It says Intel inside. It's also fanless, which is pretty epic. SD card slot, which I should probably utilize if I want to put emulators on it, which I want to do, and camera won't focus. There we go. Power button, which is nice. Those are just USB 2.0 ports right there. Oh well. And yeah, this little thing fell off. It was super flimsy. But here, let me figure out how it was arranged. Yeah, it was like this. So then those line up. It shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, because the audio jack is still accessible. I doubt I would even use it. Then all of that is there. Very nice. Actually, thank you, I guess, for breaking off. Let's see if our hot glue gun is hot. It is hot. Alright. Let's get to taping and gluing. Okay, so we're gonna start off by taping the underside of the mini PC and then aligning it into the case, hot gluing around it, and then taping over the hot glue as well. So let's take some of our cool white duct tape, which should blend into the Wii, I guess, because they're both white. Let's take some of it, rip it, fold it like that, and put it on the back of our mini PC. That is lined up. All our stuff on the back is lined up. Yeah, nice. Push down on that without breaking the case. That would be bad. And now I'm going to hot glue around the edges. Alright, we hot glued this side. I couldn't get anything over here because there's a wall in the way. And there's just a little bit right here. There, I peeled that off. So now we're going to tape right here. Put that down, run it up against that, up there, and we're gonna cover our beautiful Intel Inside logo. Yeah, I covered up the VGA port just a little bit, but it's taped off pretty well. Pushing the power button doesn't move it a lot. So let's go and screw it all together and see how it looks. And it is put back together. Our cool Wii C. On the back, it's a lot wider because that plastic bit fell off. Yeah, hopefully it won't fall down anymore. As you can see, we've got a sick Core i7 sticker on the side. That gives it plus 60 FPS, of course. Then on the top right here, we have our little hatch to reveal the power button and USB ports. Yeah, very nice. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Remember to subscribe, I guess, and like the video, because that would be very cool.